Hi there, you're watching Fish Finally, where we aim to bring you up to date on the latest and best in the world of fishing. From essentials like fish finders, fishing rods and reels, to accessories like fishing gloves or backpacks, we have something for everyone. We test them in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For a fishing enthusiast looking for helpful buying guides, nothing could be better than Fish Finally.
For anglers, fishing gloves are essential to aid them in various tasks such as ice fishing or catching larger fish. In addition to this, fishing gloves provide protection against external elements, allowing anglers to fish comfortably and conveniently. This is why you need to avail yourself of the best fishing gloves. To know more about which fishing gloves to buy, check out our guide video on the 8 best fishing gloves that are available right now. If you are using any of the fishing gloves, then what is your opinion on it? Let me know in the comments.
Next up on our list is something you should really give a shot. It has really attractive features and great value for the money.
Number 8. Fish Fun Winter Fishing Gloves. These fishing gloves by Fish Fun are lined with microfiber and plush fleece to keep your hands warm in late fall, mild winter, and early spring. Its neoprene palm and wrist keep your heat from escaping while preventing cold air from getting into the gloves. The breathable, waterproof, windproof back and water-resistant neoprene palm make it resistant to accidental water splash. These fishing gloves are made of neoprene material that is strong and resistant to tears and repel spills. It protects your hands from fish fins, hooks, and fishing lines and is comfortable to wear and easy to operate with. It has a large area silicone pad that provides additional gripping strength in any weather condition. The gloves come with 3 fingers that can be clipped back and hooked for conveniently changing baits, tying the knot, pressing the shutter button, or doing other fine work. Special material integrated into the 3 fingertips allows you to use touchscreen phones without exposing your fingers. Number 7. Fishoholic Fingerless Fishing Gloves. The fingerless fishing gloves for men and women block the sun's harmful UV rays. These polyspandex for waist stretch gloves are snug yet allow movement. The 3/4 length fingers block the sun but allow you to thread a hook and tie knots. These Fishoholic fingerless fishing gloves are constructed with high-quality material that is durable and lightweight. It provides UPF 50+ sun protection. They have a super sticky grip for your fishing rod and reel, paddle, or trek poles, steering wheel, tie-up rope, bike handle, and all kinds of outdoor or indoor sports activities. It was done to reduce fatigue when using all-day fishing, kayaking, hiking, paddling, rowing, diving, canoeing, paddleboard boarding, running, cycling, on your motorcycle, and other activities. These fishing gloves are great for fishermen, fly anglers, sailors, hunters, kayakers, hikers, runners, and other outdoor athletes. It is a perfect gift for friends, fishermen, dads on Father's Day, business partners, and anyone aged 13 to 99. Number 6. Bassdash Ultimate Fishing Gloves. These UPF 50+ performance fishing gloves by Bassdash Ultimate should be considered an essential kit. They are a must-have for the sunwise angler. It is carefully designed to protect the angler's hands from the sun's harmful UV rays and other harmful elements. These fishing gloves offer UV protection for waist stretch and quick-dry polyspandex, synthetic microfiber leather. Accredited with a UPF 50+ rating, the gloves protect your hands from dangerous UV rays. They are made with lightweight fabric that breathes and keeps you cool and dry, which helps with grip when your hands are sweaty. The non-slip, durable synthetic leather palm ensures the stability of the hands on fishing rod, reel, paddle, garden tools, etc. These Bassdash Ultimate fishing gloves are UPF 50+ protection for your hands and are ideal for most outdoor sports such as fishing, cycling, hiking, kayaking, canoeing, boating, and working around the yard, and more.
Let's start the ball rolling with the best budget option, that will not skimp on any desired features.
Number 5. KastKing Mountain Mist Fishing Gloves. These mountain mist fishing gloves for men or women have open finger slots for dexterity. It features a hook and loop catch that holds fingertips open, smartphone-friendly fingertips, and anti-slip palm material. It is one of the best cold weather fishing gloves on market. These fishing gloves are designed with a fleece lining, waterproof back, and soft neoprene and microfiber palm. The microfiber palm material in KastKing cold weather fishing gloves helps to extend the life of your gloves, while the printed polymer pattern provides additional gripping strength in any weather conditions. It has 2 fingers and a thumb that permit you to expose only your fingertips. The hook and loop material on the fingers and thumb of these versatile gloves hold the folded over tips out of the way, allowing you to easily change hooks, change baits, or check your smartphone without removing your gloves. The special material integrated into the fingertips allows you to use touchscreen phones without exposing your fingers to the elements. They can also be used as photography gloves, ice fishing gloves, or hunting gloves. Number 4. Palmyth Neoprene Fishing Gloves. If you are looking for the best fishing gloves, then look at these Palmyth Neoprene Fishing Gloves. It comes with a flip-back thumb and index finger cap, freeing your fingers to manipulate your fishing rod, phone, camera, touchscreen devices, pistol, or RC drones without compromising performance, protection, and dexterity. These Palmyth Neoprene fishing gloves are made with a breathable and windproof fabric back of the glove, securing a tight fit for best sensibility in any action and keeping your hands dry in light rain. It has an artificial leather reinforced palm for a better grip and durability. The gloves also come with an adjustable wrist Velcro strap for any size wrist, and fix your wrists will not fall off. The snug fit elastic cuffs keep the gloves tight to your hands and keep the cold wind out. It also has 2 cut fingers design that means you retain maneuverability and dexterity, so these gloves are suitable for fishermen, anglers, hunters, photographers, bicyclers, hikers, runners, shooters, and outdoor athletes. It's good enough for mild weather but not for freezing winter or extremely cold weather. Number 3. Big Worm Fishing Gloves. This pair of fishing gloves for fishing is designed to fit well on most people with large to extra large hands. These make great fishing gloves for men and fishing gloves for women that fit into men's L to XL glove sizes. It is perfect to use as men's fishing gloves and women's fishing gloves. These Big Worm fishing gloves have a specially designed surface on the fingers and palms to give you a grip on slimy fish, so you can take them off the hook without getting your hands full of nasty fish slime. It also has a specially designed grip surface on the fingers and palms to give you a tight grip on your rod, fish, bait, and fishing line. It also works as shucking gloves, crabbing gloves, fisherman gloves, angler gloves, fish gloves/fish gloves, shucking gloves, crab gloves, fillet gloves, and fish gloves. They are specially designed for those who hate touching stinky fish and bait. It makes perfect fishing gloves for men and fishing gloves for women because you can touch fish and bait while keeping your hands clean.
Before we get to the best of the bunch, let's look at the runner-up for today's video.
Number 2. Berkley Coated Fishing Gloves. Looking for a pair of protective fishing gloves? Berkley Coated Fishing Gloves is one of the best fishing gloves on the market. It is a great choice for you. These fishing gloves are made from coated fabric with a textured, waterproof grip on the palm and fingers. This grip is long-lasting and makes it easy to hold on to slippery fish. Whether you're selecting bait from the live well or returning fish to the water during a catch and release tournament. The gloves also afford good protection from hooks, spines, and abrasive lines, and when they get dirty, they're easily washable. Inevitably, with a product that's so much cheaper than its competitors, there are some downsides. The glove's coating can affect its flexibility, and the one-size-fits-all design can be problematic if your hands are particularly small or large.
From performance to price, from design to durability, the last product on our list is the best out of all we've reviewed.
Number 1. KastKing Sole Armis Fishing Gloves. The Sole Armis Fishing Gloves by KastKing for men and women are designed for elite anglers for a comfortable snug fit. It is rated SPF and UPF 50 to ensure you are protected from the sun's harmful rays. These fishing gloves are made of breathable polyspandex fabric material that keeps you cool and comfortable all day long without getting sunburned. This 4-way stretch fabric offers a snug fit that won't affect your dexterity to change hooks, baits, or land fish. The microfiber reinforced primary wear points on the palms help to extend the life of your gloves and offer extra padding. Integrated pull tabs on the cuff and middle finger make it easy to pull on or take off your gloves. Thanks to the open fingertips and polyspandex material that stretches all around, you will still have amazing dexterity and control. Furthermore, the material is soft, lightweight, breathable, moisture-wicking, and quick-drying, making the KastKing fishing gloves among the best gloves for fishing when it comes to comfort. Thanks for watching. Hope you have no doubts about the 8 best fishing gloves on the market. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe. Drop a suggestion in the comment box if you think we can do better.